Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everyone, how are you today?
I'm
Fine.
fine.
Fantastic. 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 Okay, guys. For today, we will learn simple present tense. But before we start the study, let's pray together. Arya.
Okay, everyone, before we start this lesson, let's pray together.
Okay, guys. Before we start with the topic, I want to review what have we learned in a week ago. Okay, so before we come to this topic, simple present tense, yesterday we have learned some vocabulary. I want you all to say what vocab have you learned. Okay, from Bayhaki, anything vocabulary. Book.
Helm.
Okay, Bima. Love. Arya. Suicide. Oh, so dark, yeah. Are you okay, Arya?
Not really, but I'm okay.
Do you have problem with your girlfriend?
By the way, I'm not
You don't have girlfriend.
Oh.
He has boyfriend.
I mean,
Ex.
ya Rabbal Alamin.
I hope you always okay. Rifan?
Plum.
Okay. Sigri?
Window.
Window. Okay, window. So, Aman?
Door.
Huh?
Door.
Door. Okay. Text variable can be used on this topic. Okay. Simple present tense. So basically, in English there are many tenses. There are 16 tenses, and they have three main different tenses. First one is present tense. Second one is past tense, and the last one is, anybody knows? Future tense. That's future. Okay, and every tense there have four type, including simple, continue, perfect continue, and wait, I forgot. Maybe you guys have learned about text. Yeah, and this simple present tense is including that one. Simple present tense. This tense discuss about what we do in Yeah, in today, in now. There are three three use express. First one is for daily routines, general truths, and fixed schedules. Okay. What daily routines mean? So, in using simple present tense, is basically we use it to make statement in, for daily activities. Like what? Like, Amin, can you read this?
Daily routines. From daily routines.
Yes.
Daily routines. I go to school every day, and in general truths, the sun rise in the east, and the schedule even. The train leaves at 6 p.m.
Okay. What keyword that express this is a simple present tense in the first line, daily routines.
To school.
To school. Anyone?
Rise.
What?
Sunrise. Rise.
No, in the first line. What makes this sentence is simple present. The reason why this is simple present tense. Can you describe it?
Use verb one.
Use verb one, okay? Others? Okay, in this first line, because simple present tense is used for daily routine, we can add like a time or period like this every day, which means we always do the same thing routine. I go to school every day. Or another example like I eat every day. I eat 3 times a day. Something like that. And general truths or the fake fakta. Like the sunrise in the east. This is the truth, this is the fake, and impossible the sunrise in the west, because the fake is the sunrise in the east. And schedule event, we can add a time like this, 6 p.m. The train leaves at 6 p.m. Something like that. Okay. And this is for formula. First one, positive sentence or affirmative. Okay, what the formula? Can you read it?
Are you everyday? First of one, and play football.
Okay. And the second line is
He, she, it, plus verb, and plus s or es, and she play guitar.
she plays guitar. Okay. In simple present tense, we must to pay attention for the subject. What subject in the sentence that we will make? If the subject is I, you, we, they, or the subject is plural, after verb one, we don't use or we don't add anything. So they is the verb one, and play this. They is the subject and they is a plural mean more one person play football, and football this is a complement. But if the subject is he, she, it, the verb must be add s or es. That is, she plays guitar. Why in the verb? Why in the verb is add s or es? Because the subject is he, she, it. Yes, just one person. Okay. Before we continue, can you make an example from this simple present tense affirmative sentence? Okay, Ripan, can you make an example?
Affirmative sentence.
Yes.
They play football.
No. Neither. Excluding that example.
He's playing football.
What?
He's playing football.
He
Play football.
he play football. Is that true? No. No. Why? Because
Not
yeah.
is, not s.
And not S. Okay. He play football is incorrect because we have to know if the subject is one person, he, she, it, then we must to add s or es at the end of the verb. Like this, she plays guitar. So if we want to say he blah 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 football, so the verb must be add the s or es. He plays football. He drives a car. Something like that. Okay. I want to another example. Amai. Okay, can you make an example from affirmative sentence excluding that? Yeah, just simple present tense, simple sentence, subject plus verb one.
I want go to FC.
I
Go
go to
to JM.
okay, I go to JM. Which one the subject? I. Which one the verb one?
Go.
Go. Okay. Next, negative sentence. In negative sentence, Ubay, can you read the formula?
Negative sentence. Formula is I, you, we, they, plus do not, do not or don't, plus verb one, plus as example, I don't watch TV.
Okay. Next.
And he, she, it, plus doesn't, plus verb one. And the example is he doesn't eat meat.
Okay. So basically, if the sentence is negative, you just add do not or does not, depends on the subject. If the subject is plural, so the negative is do not. Like this, in the first line, I, you, we, they. This is a plural subject, so we must go in and then verb one. But if the subject just one person, like he, she, it, we must do add does not or doesn't, and then verb one and the complement. But in the negative sentence, if the subject is one person, he, she, it, the verb one not add ses like in affirmative sentence. Okay, anybody can make an example? Fikri?
He doesn't have lunch.
He doesn't have lunch. Okay, anyone? Ah? Bima, you say something? Hayati?
He doesn't work.
He doesn't work. Okay. And the next is yes, no questions. Okay. In the yes no question, you just add do or does in the first sentence, and then subject, and then the verb. So you just replace this word to the first sentence. Do, I, you, we, they, and then verb one. Example, do you like music or good? Does you read books? Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Sure. Dubai, can you make example?
For what?
From this yes no questions.
Do I have to do it?
Do I have to do it? Okay. Amai? Yes. Please make an example from this. Come on.
Pass.
Oh, pass. Okay. Alif.
What? Yes, no question.
Yeah, and yes no question.
Do you want blowjob?
What?
Bekasi. Cabul banget.
What?
Do you love me?
Do you love me? Yes. Aryan, do you love me?
Who doesn't know?
No, do you love me? That is pretty simple. Pretty simple example. Okay.
Sange, horny lu.
Horny, Mister.
Orang Bekasi sange.
This is another formula ya. Okay, everyone. Like what I said before, there are verbs with s or es for he, she, it. Like play, plays, go, become goes, watch, become watches, and study becomes studies. Okay. So if the verb and the last in the last word is this, yeah, why? Then we we change the Y to E and S. Like this, study and come studious. Studious. Nah, this is sample sentence. Aya, please read the examples.
Me?
Yes.
My glasses.
Udah 20 menit. Lu nggak
Is
bisa.
always
Cepet.
Okay.
Udah 20.
Thank you.
3. Sama diedit. Diedit nanti. Biar yang lain kebagian.
Example sentences. She drinks milk in the morning. Negative. She doesn't drink coffee. And
Does she drink tea? Does she drink tea?
does she drink tea?
Okay. Bima, please read the last one.
Okay, they go to school by bus, and then second negative, they don't go on foot. And the last question, though they go together.
Okay. Good job. Okay, this is job. Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Okay, first one. He blah 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 breakfast at 7 p.m. What's supposed to be in there? Everyone? He blah 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 breakfast at 7 a.m. Eat or eat. Why eat?
Because he subject is he.
Okay, because the subject is he. Okay.
We go.
We blah 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 to school every day.
We went or we go.
We walk.
Okay. What's supposed to be in there?
We go.
We
went or we go.
go. Yeah. We go.
We walk.
We go to school every day. Go or goes? Go. Why?
We walk.
Why?
Why?
We go.
Is go or goes?
We go.
We go. We go. Why go not goes?
Because the subject is we.
Because the subject is we. Correct. Third, my sister blah 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 coffee. Drink.
Drinks.
Drink or drink?
Drinks.
With S. Drinks. S. Because
The
One
subject is she.
object.
She.
A subject.
subject is she. 1%, eh? Yeah, person. The last one, blah blah blah, you blah 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 basketball.
Do you play basketball?
Is that true? Are you sure? Oh, Pikri?
Are you sure basketball?
Are you sure? Okay, basketball. Are you sure basketball?
Yeah.
To make sure. To make sure. Are you sure basketball? Yes. Yes, I am.
Are you play?
Bro,
Are you
bro,
play?
bro.
Are you play?
Arya.
Arya play basketball.
Do you play basketball?
How may play girl?
Okay.
Lucu ya.
Last. Choose the correct answer. She blah 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 to the library every Saturday.
Goes.
She goes.
B.
She goes.
What?
Because
Goes.
the subject is she.
Okay.
She knows.
Second, blah 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 they like ice cream.
Do they?
No. Are they?
Really?
Do they kan?
Do.
Really?
Low.
Do, does, or are? Do. Why do? Because you are a do.
No, take this day.
I'm Gopal.
Okay. Second is do they like ice cream? We have to remember with the formula.
Okay.
Blah blah. My father blah 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 not watch TV at night. Apa? Does not. Really does not? Yeah. Because
Does he?
Doesn't, does not, do not.
okay. That is for the topic today. And before we end this class, I want you to make something like exercise. So please put your paper and then make a sentence. Just 5 sentences. Yes, just 5 sentences. Up to you if the sentence is
Affirmative,
affirmative, negative.
negative, or yes, not question.
Yes. And then give it to me. Okay. Please. I give you 5 minutes.
Where's your paper?
Almay, paper Almay.
Wis makan air.
Arya sleeping soon. Arya, don't sleep in the class, Arya.
Ice breaking.
Klik biji.
Orang ditanya malah nawarin. Orang ditanya, malah nawarin.
Klik.
Jangan ditawarin yang lucu. Ada yang ada rekam. Masih dikat mas gini mas.
Sebulan lu.
Tapi kalau dia berdua doang kamu bisa. Orang saya ya. Berdua sama saya.
Kan mau juga.
Iya, jalan.
Parah banget itu.
Are you done, guys?
Ya,
Yeah.
enak ya.
Yeah.
Ada nih dulu.
Okay, finish.
Finish, Mister. Okay, next. Okay. Step lagi. Aman. You have 0 point in my class.
Oke.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, because the time is over, so we have to end this class today. And I'm sorry I can't give you any games because yes, my time is over. So thank you for your attention, and yeah, for the homework, I will give you homework. Please, such topic about what? Yeah. Still simple, still present tense, but you have to search continue, perfect continue, and something like that. Okay. Okay. Thank you for today.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ayo, let's go. Nah, ini dia dojo.
Ini dia yang ketemu.